The endocrine system is a pivotal network in the human body, responsible for the secretion and regulation of hormones. These hormones serve as chemical messengers, facilitating intricate communication between various cells and organs. At the core of this system lie the hypothalamus and the pituitary gland. These structures form a sophisticated integrative network that bridges the nervous and endocrine systems, overseeing many other glandular functions. The functions of the endocrine system are manifold. Primarily, it is involved in the regulation of digestive processes, the use and storage of nutrients, and it plays crucial roles in growth and development. Moreover, it helps in the regulation of electrolyte and water metabolism, as well as reproductive functions. Hormones, the chemical messengers of this system, are transported through bodily fluids. They're specialized organic molecules fabricated by endocrine organs to exert influence over specific target cells. While hormones do not initiate reactions, they modulate systemic and cellular responses. A noteworthy characteristic of hormones is their flexibility in function. A single hormone may exert multiple effects in different tissues, and conversely, several hormones may regulate a single function. Hormones can be categorized based on their action mechanism. Paracrine hormones act on adjacent cells, whereas autocrine hormones influence the very cells that produce them. Structurally, hormones are classified into several categories including amines and amino acids, peptides, polypeptides, glycoproteins, proteins, steroids, and derivatives of fatty acids. The regulation of hormone levels in the body primarily occurs through negative feedback mechanisms, akin to the operation of thermostats in heating systems. In this system, sensors detect changes in hormone levels, prompting adjustments to maintain appropriate bodily concentrations. Alterations in the endocrine system can manifest in various disorders. These include pituitary and growth hormone disorders, thyroid and parathyroid hormone dysfunctions, and disorders in adrenal cortical functions. Endocrine disorders typically result from either the hypofunction or hyperfunction of an endocrine gland and can be classified as primary, secondary, or tertiary. Primary disorders stem from defects within the hormone-producing gland itself. In secondary disorders, the target gland is normally functioning, but its operation is hindered due to defective hormone levels or releasing factors from the pituitary. Tertiary disorders are a consequence of defects in the hypothalamic control of the target gland's function. Diagnosis of endocrine function includes direct measurements of hormone levels as well as indirect assessments through the physiological effects of hormones, such as evaluating insulin function via blood glucose levels. Additionally, imaging techniques are increasingly employed to visualize endocrine structures, and genetic testing is used to identify genes that may predispose individuals to endocrine disorders. Overall, the endocrine system is a complex, yet integral network critical for maintaining homeostasis and facilitating numerous physiological processes in the body.